Hi everyone, welcome back to World. Today in this tutorial, we are exploring link text and partial link text locators on Selenium. These locators are super helpful when you want to interact with hyperlinks on a web page. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the drag and drop perform by using Selenium. So let's begin. We can click on the link by using two ways. One is using link text, and the second is partial link text. In this tutorial, I will explain how you can click on the link by using partial link text and link text. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on Python project and then click on Python file. Enter the file name link underscore click and then click on Python file. Import Selenium here. Let's copy URL and Selenium WebDriver here. In this scenario, we do not need to add the action class, so remove this. Now, as you can view, here we can click on this link text, copy this URL and enter URL. Next, inspect. Suppose you want to click on this link. Here you can view the link text is bank project. Right click, inspect, and here you can view the anchor tag and then href, and the link text is bank project. Before locating any element, you need to find this is unique text. Find here. Here you can view this is unique. In this web page, only one text, which is bank project. Just copy this link text, which is bank project. Copy this complete bank project. Now, first we need to locate this element by using link text. Link is equal to driver dot find element by dot link text. Click on this link text and the text is bank project. Next thing we need to do here, click on this link text. So here we will use link dot click. After navigating to URL, add some weight here, time dot slip 2 seconds, and then after clicking on this link text, add some weight here, time dot slip 2 seconds. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then click on bank project. Here you can view, click on bank project, this screen. Next, we can click on this bank project link by using only bank text. Here change link text to partial link text. In partial link text, we do not need to enter the complete link text. Just enter here bank. Let's maximize the window after navigating to this URL driver.maximize window. Let's run this script. Right click and then run. This is file name. First, navigate to this URL and maximize the window and then click on bank project. By using linked text and partial linked text, you can click on. That is for today's tutorial on linked text and partial linked text locators in Selenium. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SQL for more automation testing tutorials. See you in the next video.